Hi everyone, this is Edward from Capistrano Volkswagen, and if you're the owner of ID4 and still have question about how to charge at Electrify America charging station, I promise this video is going to be very helpful. So let's go and I'll tell you how to do a charge at Electrify America charging station. Once arrived at the charging station, please back up to charging unit and remember that with the Volkswagen ID4 the charging port is always on the right passenger side. Open the charge port and you will see the DC fast charger of the ID4. Now take the connection and plug it into the ID4 to initiate the charge. Open the Electrify America app and find the charging station next to you. Then refer to the charging ID and find the charging unit which you would like to use. Swipe to the right to initiate the charge and wait for the appropriate notification on your Electrify America app. Once charging, the port light will turn green. After the charge is complete, you'll get notification on your Electrify America app and you can go ahead and remove the cable. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you still have questions, please let us know in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you.